Imagine rolling down the highway in a motorhome that blends the thrill of a high-performance Kenworth truck with the comfort of a premium luxury RV. The 2025-2026 Kenworth T2000 Motorhome is that exceptional fusion. This isn't a typical Class A motorhome, it's an ambitious leap, built on a Kenworth T2000 chassis, engineered for power, comfort, and long-haul living. Performance comes first. The 2026 model flexes a Cummins X15 diesel engine generating around 605 horsepower, paired with an 18-speed automated transmission. This formidable powertrain delivers not only impressive speed and towing ability, it also provides reliability that long-distance travelers crave. For the 2025 variant, engines include the PACCAR Mix 13 with up to 510 horsepower and available natural gas options, offering flexibility depending on preference or fuel concerns. Inside, luxury is unmistakable. The 2026 version treats occupants to premium leather seating, handcrafted wooden cabinetry, a king-size bed, a full-size shower, and dual-zone HVAC for personalized comfort. The 2025 model follows suit with lavish materials, expansive living areas, and off-grid readiness, solar panels, large water and battery systems, elegant kitchen appliances, and remains fully customizable. Smart tech elevates the experience. In the 2026 iteration, a smart control system lets travelers manage lighting, temperature, and security via a mobile app. Entertainment shines with a 55-inch 4K smart TV, surround sound, and satellite connectivity. Meanwhile, the 2025 edition brings a large touchscreen infotainment system, Wi-Fi hotspot, and driver assistance systems including ADAS and intuitive smart controls. Safety is not overlooked. The 2026 motorhome includes adaptive cruise control, lane departure warnings, blind spot monitoring, collision avoidance systems, and a reinforced steel frame with ABS braking systems. The 2025 model offers similarly strong safety features: lane departure warning, adaptive cruise, collision mitigation, plus premium driver assistance systems. Long range and off-grid capability make this motorhome adventure-ready. The 2026 model boasts 1,500 W solar panels, a 1,000-gallon freshwater tank, and a high-capacity lithium battery pack, along with a smart waste management system for eco-friendly travel. The 2025 edition also features solar panels, large tanks, and battery options, ideal for remote exploration. Drivers will appreciate the aerodynamic, sleek exterior of the 2026 T2000, with LED lighting, streamlined design, retractable awning, and plenty of storage space underneath for gear and recreational items. The 2025 version, built on a truck chassis, brings rugged durability and storage, emphasizing customizability and long-hauling comfort. Luxury and versatility come at a steep price. The 2026 model is listed around $350,000 USD, roughly 96,897,500 rupees PKR, while the 2025 model is even higher, around $400,000 USD, $110,740,000 PKR, making it a serious investment. Yet, for what you get, many would argue it's worth it. The pros are substantial: remarkable power, unmatched luxury and comfort, smart tech and entertainment, off-grid freedom, advanced safety, and expansive storage. But keep in mind cons too: high price, large size making maneuvering difficult, elevated fuel use, potentially expensive maintenance for high-end components, and regulatory considerations, like special licensing or higher insurance, especially for the 2025 version. In summary, the Kenworth T2000 Motorhome for 2025 and 2026 represents an extraordinary blend of trucking resilience and coach-level luxury. It's built for travelers who reject compromise, those who want to chase remote views, live in supreme comfort, and command the road with confidence. If you're dreaming of a mobile home that performs like a beast and feels like a palace, this could very well be your ultimate adventure companion.